All right. Foods close up to. Can you name the foods by their close up picture? I don't know. I mean, I think I know most of these, but let's see. So first, obviously, is a kiwi. Then I think those are peppers. Yep. Waffle. Is that fourth one ice cream? Yeah, strawberry ice cream. Then we got a cookie, a pineapple. I think that's steak. Is that just a really horrible looking watermelon? Um, what could that be? Oh, it looks like a watermelon. Maybe I'm spelling it wrong. Oh no. Well, we got rice, orange, mushrooms, broccoli. Are those chips? Yep. Pretzels and a tomato. Now, there's one left that I presumably just don't know. What could this be? I think it's watermelon, but seedless watermelon. Seed full watermelon, actually. What has a pink center? Well, dragon fruit's not a pink center, so it can't be like that. You know what? I already beat the bot, so let's just see what it is. Oh, sweet. There we go. It's a guava. That's interesting. All right, let me just enter it in first, and then I'll retype everything. Strawberry ice cream, a cookie, pineapple, steak, rice, orange, mushroom, broccoli. I didn't know a guava was a thing. That looks cool though. Chips, pretzels, and finally a tomato. There we go. Happy that was a nice, easy quiz for the day. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you have any quiz suggestions. Yeah.